Hello and welcome again to TNV Academy. Today we will explore the scope and field of application of ISO 21930, which focuses on sustainability in the construction industry. What is the scope of ISO 21930? ISO 21930 provides core rules for the development of environmental product declarations (EPDs) for construction products and services. These EPDs offer transparent, reliable, and scientifically verified information about the environmental impacts of these products across their life cycle. The standard applies to all construction products and services used in buildings and civil engineering works. These include materials like concrete, steel, wood, insulations, and other elements that contribute to a construction project from the foundation to the finishing touches. Field of application. ISO 21930 can be applied by various stakeholders within the construction industry, such as manufacturers of construction materials. They can use this standard to produce EPDs for their products, giving their clients a clear view of the environmental impacts associated with those products. Construction companies, by utilizing EPDs developed according to ISO 21930, builders can make more informed decisions about materials and products based on sustainability criteria. Architects and engineers. The information provided in EPDs allows design professionals to specify products with lower environmental impacts, aligning with sustainability goals for projects. Policymakers and regulatory authorities. Governments and other bodies can use ISO 21930 as a reference when developing green building regulations, sustainability certifications, or public procurement guidelines. Third-party certificators and auditors. The standard is used by third-party organizations to verify that the EPDs comply with international guidelines and are based on credible lifecycle assessments (LCA). Key takeaways. ISO 21930 covers all life cycle stages of a construction product or service, from raw material extraction, production, and transportation to installation, use, and disposal. This ensures that every stage of the product's life is accounted for when assessing its environmental impact. In summary, the scope of ISO 21930 extends to all construction products and services and provides a framework for producing environmental product declarations that can be applied across the entire construction industry. Whether you are a manufacturer, builder, designer, or policymaker, ISO 21930 is a vital tool for understanding and managing the environmental impact of the products and services used in construction. Thank you for watching this breakdown of the scope and field of application of ISO 21930. If you have any question, feel free to ask, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.